Hello STEM Fair students! In this video, brought to you by the GSDSEF Student Leadership Board, we are going to show you how to create and submit a successful screening presentation. Congratulations! At this point, your project has passed SRC pre-approval, but you still need to submit a 10-slide PDF presentation for screening before being accepted to compete at the GSDSEF. All of the necessary resources for screening can be found by clicking Students, then How to Participate, and then scroll down to Step 6. Make sure to keep an eye on the deadlines for screening. Click the link titled Screening Deadlines to check when your grade screening presentations are due. We recommend starting on your screening presentation as soon as your project is finished, instead of waiting until the last minute. To get started creating your screening presentation, click the screening information link on Step 6 of the How to Participate page. Here, you'll find a digital project example, guidelines of what screeners are looking for, and, most importantly, a digital project template for you to fill out. This template is editable in PowerPoint, so you can type directly into the text boxes in the presentation. Get started by inputting your information on the first slide. If you're completing a team project, don't forget to include your partner's information as well. Next, insert an abstract following the guidelines outlined on the second slide. Keep in mind the font and graphics requirements and make sure to use a readable font like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Next, summarize the most important background information you've conducted on the topic. Do not include the whole essay that is required for the notebook. Then, state your problem for science projects and purpose for engineering projects, as well as the materials used. Next, insert your procedure, but be careful that if you include images, the only faces that you're allowed to show are your own. Be detailed with the procedure, as a screener should be able to reproduce your experiment themselves. Next is the major section of your science fair project, your results. Present your data in the form of data tables, graphs, charts, and writing. Finally, analyze your results in the conclusion and cite all of the sources that you used in your project in the bibliography. Middle schoolers must cite at least 5 sources, and high schoolers must cite at least 10. Once you have finished preparing your screening presentation, be sure to convert your PowerPoint or Google Slides into a PDF file. The name of the PDF file must be in this format: last name, first name, title of project. Now, you are ready to submit it to the GSDSEF screening panel. Head to the My Projects tab of your account, click the Edit button, and upload your PDF file there. Then, change your project status from Project Draft to Project Submitted and wait for the screeners to evaluate your project. The screeners may accept your project, decline it, or accept it with modifications. If your project is accepted with modifications, look at the screener's comments and resubmit the PowerPoint with their comments incorporated. You can find the resubmission deadline in the same place as the other screening deadlines. If you've been accepted to the GSDSEF, congratulations! Stay tuned for our next video to learn how to submit your final application and payment for the fair.